Nike is bringing back the Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 in 2026, reviving a Kobe Bryant-linked classic that first hit courts in the early 2000s. Designed by Eric Avar, the sneaker is recognized for its heritage-driven style, sleek build, neoprene bootie, and lockdown strap that ensured containment over flash. Fans are especially excited about the return of the famed All-Star and black and metallic silver colorways set for summer. Priced at $200, the relaunch highlights Nike's ongoing push to reintroduce models tied to Kobe Bryant, while leaving speculation open on whether it will receive the Protro treatment like other Kobe releases. With official photos of the 2004 edition circulating, anticipation grows as Nike prepares to balance nostalgia with today's bold sneaker culture. The comeback pays tribute to innovation from Nike basketball's golden era while sparking curiosity about modern performance updates.